everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Cardano Ada. Absolutely, at this time the Cardano price is going upward and I'm very happy to see this kind of price changes occurs in our Cardano, friends. Let's see, my friends, and let's see the more details about Cardano. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now, my friends, let's see the latest update of the Cardano. What's going on in this time in the market? Let's see, my friends. Friends, if you look the latest price of the Cardano, so 1.73 USD dollar, friends, is the latest price of the Cardano in the market. On the other side, as I told you that the pricing is going positive, so you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is going positive, last 1 week pricing is also going positive, and last 1 week pricing is going negative. The previous change is okay and the Cardano is going wrong, but as you can see now in the last 1 hour, last 1 week pricing is positive, so this means that the Cardano start jumping from the last 1 day, friends. So I'm feeling very happy about Cardano, friends. Let's see, my friends, the more details what's going on in a Cardano. Let's see the price chart. You can see here, my friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Cardano, friends. As I told you, my friends, same like that occurs. Now in the start of new month, friends, they start moving upward, and now it is again the start of June, so I hope that they will take a huge pump in the start of June, friends. So you remember, my friends, don't decide to sell. It's time to hold and make a good amount of profit with the Cardano, friends, in the last month. As you can see, sell your Cardano in the last of June, friends. Don't decide to sell. If you decide to sell Cardano at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss, because the previous last 1 week pricing is negative. So that's how you can get a good amount of profit from the Cardano, friends. And if you decide to hold, so maybe there is a possibility, there is chances to them move upward in the future, friends. Anyways, my friends, that is the latest update of the Cardano. Hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.